Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So I have a video right here for you guys called Flux. Because on this video, we're going to talk about new text-to-image generator, Flux-1 Schnell without GPU, Tensor Art. I have a video about it that is going to be Flux Schnell. For this one, we're going to focus on dev. Because what is basically Flux? Flux is an AI tool mainly for image generation. If you're familiar with Midjourney, Pika Labs, and the works, I'm gonna tell you more about Flux because it's gonna be on par with those paid subscriptions. You heard me right? This is actually a free trial version. There is a paid plan for this one, but the free trial is pretty awesome. Now look at those details. The hair on this old man is pretty awesome. The animated style right here is awesome also. Anyway, without further ado, again guys, I have a video about Schnell, so please check it out. I'm gonna go for dev now. I'm gonna see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. We're gonna utilize Tensor Art for this application for Flux. As you can see right there, this is the previous video I made. And right now, there is a new version for this one. Now the one I'm gonna use for this video is gonna be the dev version again. Now there is some reason that it's not currently showing on the home screen. But before we get into it, I wanna show you what is the models here. So we have so much to work on. Take note, Tensor Art offers upscaling in painting and the works. So for some reason you cannot really find the Tensor dev version, I'm gonna show you how to look for it. But for now, let's check on the pricing. So these are the prices for the paid subscription. However, for the free trial, you're gonna get 200 credits per day. That is actually a good one that only costs 1 credit per image approximately. Now if you really cannot find the AI tool we're gonna work for today, because we're looking for dev Flux. On the search bar right here, type in dart or dart. We're looking for a user of this one right here. And if I click on it right now, there's the one we're looking for. So we have Schnell for the previous one, and the Flux.1 dev is right here. So just click on it, and I'll see you once inside. And now welcome back to the video. Now with this one, we're going to utilize this AI, Flux dev.1 or Flux.1 dev. So this is going to be it. We have the option right here to enter our prompt. You can adjust your width here, your height, or basically the size of your image. So for this one, this is going to be the number of generation or images per run. That's going to be batch size. I'm going to go for 4 here. And now here is a sample prompt for us to work with. However, let's just say let me just remove this one. And what if I type in John Wick anime style holding a sword. Now this is a very basic prompt. There are options here, for example, enhance. Basically, if you click on this one, Tensor Art will give you the option or will help you build your own prompt. Because before, I always say that the best result comes with a much more specific prompt. As you can see right here, John Wick cloaked in darkness holds his katana at a 45-degree angle. Pretty awesome, right? Now if you're not satisfied with that one, you can always check the different generations. You have 3 choices of the enhanced prompt. You can regenerate some new ones if you don't like the given suggestions. Anyway, for the noise seed, I'm gonna remain it as it is. For the sampling steps, basically, the higher the steps, the higher the chances that your image will refer to your prompt. And for the guidance, it's always safe to choose 2 to 5. Below 2 might help with art styles, but for now, I'm gonna remain it at 3.5. Max shift and base shift, I'm gonna remain as it is. You'll see right here that the cost is 6.4. I know that I said it's gonna be 1 credit per photo, but it differs based on your prompt. That's gonna be the minimum for one. Anyway, I still have 1.72 or 172 credits here, and I'm gonna click on this one right there, and I'll see you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. So here's our 4 images, and now you can just choose 1 here or choose 4 to download. I'm gonna go with this one. Pretty awesome sort right there. If you want to download them, simply click on that button right there, and you'll be good to go. That is pretty awesome given that this is just a free AI. I want to highlight the details here. I want to download this also. Now let's try a very basic prompt because I have here on my notepad. If I click on try there, and then delete everything. This is basically a person standing in a street, standing with a board saying Flux because I want to see if Flux can read those texts right there. I'm going to enhance the prompt there because I want to be enhanced to a much more better result. With that being said, I'm not gonna change anything here and click on go. Now welcome back to the video. Now these are gonna be your images results, and I tell you right here that I really love how AI captured the spelling right. Because most of the time, some other AI really have some error in spelling, much like this one. But the majority of the results got the spelling correctly. Now if you're satisfied with this one, of course, especially this one right here, I love the sunrise, I'm gonna download this one right there. And that's gonna be text to image for you. And now let's focus on image to image. To proceed on that one, click on this drop down icon. And if you click on create right there, you're gonna have text to image, and animate. So we're gonna focus first on image to image right here. And of course, we're gonna upload a photo first. I'm gonna use this guy from the Olympics, that's gonna be a meme right now. And then I'm just gonna type in here, a guy shooting a gun, anime style, or I can use this prompt. So anime style right there, John Wick shooting with a pistol. That's gonna be my prompt. And as best practice, as I always say, please make sure that your prompt really complements your photo. That's why it's gonna be a really good result if it really complements and it's still gonna be balanced. It doesn't contradict your photo. Anyway, for the negative prompt, I'm gonna type in blurry, pixelated. And for the models, make sure you change them to Flux. It's either Schnell or Dev. For this one, I'm gonna use Dev as promised. Select on it. And I'm gonna change this one based on the recommended parameters by the author. I'm gonna use recommended. And with that being said, let me just select one more time here, making sure everything is good. That's gonna be my recommended. Click on select. Now after clicking that one right there for the parameters, let's go down here just a little bit to explain the metrics here. So we have the denoising strength. This is the intensity of the drawing per image. 0 means no redrawing will be done. Aspect ratio, basically this is the size of your output, or you can customize based on the height and width. For the sampling method, this is basically what is the difference between your model and your final output. For this one, I'm going to use Euler. Everything here would be by default. I'm not actually going to change anything here. For the clip skip, I think this is going to be the smaller the value, the more the final image adheres to the prompt. A value of 2 or 1 is recommended. And that being said, the quantity right here is 1 or 2. I'm going to go for 2. 4 is I think for paid subscriptions. And then I'm going to click on generate. So welcome back to the video. So for this one, I had generated 2 results for you to choose from or to compare. Let's try the first one. Now that is John Wick with his hair in a man bun. And this is the sample images or the reference image we did. I know you know this guy. This is a trending guy from Olympics. I actually like him and I analyze him. Now I want to highlight the details here. The watch is right there. The design of the shirt is right here. Even the logo is not perfect, but the shape is gonna be here. Now let's try looking for the second one. And this is gonna be the most accurate image of John Wick. Comparisons right here. I think the Adidas is copied perfectly. Even the gun is gonna be right there. Now I know this is not still anime, but this is much more anime. The point here is that this is still AI. We have a free trial here, so we still have a free trial and error option. So if you're not satisfied with this one, might as well try a different model. But for this video, we're gonna focus on Dev as promised. So that's the difference of Dev and Schnell for you. So please type in the description below which is better for you guys. It is Dev or Schnell. And that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.